Hey guys, I just thought I'd touch base at the start of the week before we get together. I've got a couple of Zoom meetings planned. I'm going to try and run a couple of Cahoots via Zoom to do a little bit of revision and just so I have a bit of fun with you. I'm sort of missing playing with you guys in class. But anyway, this week we're looking at cells still, and we're going to move on then to looking at our immune system in particular and how it deals with cells it doesn't recognise as being as belonging. Star just actually released a new immunity unit, which is rather nice. So rather than the old one, I'll change over to the new one. I'll have a look at it first, but I think it's going to be pretty good. Their stuff normally is. This week, you've got 4 classes. The first one, you're going to look at animals versus plant cells, so looking at differences between the main types of cells. There are other cells, there's fungi and all sorts of other things as well. Then we're going to have a look at specialised cells, because cells all have special jobs to do. Then on Thursday, I think it is, I've left just a little bit of artwork. So looking at cell biology and Aboriginal art and the dot paintings and how they represent things and asking you to create some art to do something different, which would be nice. And then the last little lessons on how cells actually reproduce. Part of that cell theory stuff we talked about earlier is how cells are responsible for replacing themselves. And so look at the process called mitosis, which does that. I'm so sorry we haven't had any experiments. This sort of stuff you just can't do at home. I need you to be out in the lab. And of course, when we look at disease, we would have grown some bacteria and then tried to kill it with different things. And these are experiments you cannot do at home. They're safe. They're not that safe in the classroom, to be honest. We've got to make sure we work really carefully in the classroom to do it. So sadly, we're going to miss out on those. But I'll try and find some interesting things online if I can that at least replicates what we try and do with it. Give you some data to work with, maybe. Anyway, for this week, it's all about cells still. And then once we've got our head around cells, we'll start looking at the immune system and how it keeps us safe and well. So, in the meantime, keep safe, keep well. Thank you to everyone who's been doing their lessons. I noticed some people are actually working ahead. I won't be marking ahead. My marking load's unbelievable at the moment. But I will catch up with all those. Please feel free to work ahead if you want to. You don't have to do the classwork when it's set. You can do it anytime you like. But by the end of the week, I'll make sure it's all marked off and there's a nice little thank you on the sector. So, take care, keep safe and healthy, and I'll see you in cyberspace tomorrow, I think. Yeah, tomorrow afternoon. See ya.